When you purchase our RGP Series reactive power control relays, you'll find a quick installation guide in the box that you'll use for the initial setup, one reactive power control relay, 4 panel locks for panel mounting, and even a clock. After mounting the device to the panel using the locking accessories that come in the box, you need to place the device's battery. Next, we'll talk about the connection section. In the connection section, first thing you'll notice is the current terminals located on the top left side of the device. Here, we need to connect the current transformer cables coming from the L3, L2, and L1 phases to these terminal inputs in order. Next, we will examine the voltage terminals on the top right side. There are V1, V2, V3, and neutral terminals in the voltage terminals. We need to connect voltages coming from these bars here. Our device has an external power supply. Therefore, we need to provide an external supply voltage between 85 and 300 volts to the A1 and A2 terminals. On the right side, we'll see the connections related to the driver. If you are using a device with a driver, you need to connect these driver connections to the inductive load driver. On the right side, we'll see the alarm contact outputs. Our device has an optional temperature sensor. In devices with a temperature sensor, you can program the terminals on the left side as the fan relay and the terminals on the right side as the alarm relay by default. When we move to the bottom, you will see the contactor outputs. These numbers change depending on the number of steps. Since our device has 9 steps plus 3 SVC, you can connect contactors for up to 9 steps. At the bottom, we'll see the Modbus terminals. If you want to communicate with the device, you can connect a modem to the end of the Modbus terminals to enable communication. Finally, we'll talk about the generator terminals located at the bottom right. If you are using a generator in your facility and want to compensate based on the information coming from the generator, you can program the relay with a voltage signal taken from the generator, and it is active.